This is not a normal prayer. This is a prophetic release over your marital destiny. If you are tired of delay, if you are tired of near success, if you are tired of almost, then hear me. Your season of waiting is coming to an end. All I need you to do is agree with me. Because right now, I stand in my office as a servant of God, and I speak over your marital life. I break every power sitting on your marital destiny. Every invisible barrier, every unseen resistance, every spiritual embargo, be lifted now. Enough is enough. You will not watch others celebrate while you are delayed. You will not be skipped. You will not be forgotten. I cancel every pattern of disappointment in your life. Every cycle of wrong relationships. Every cycle of heartbreak. Every cycle of delay. Break now! I call forth the man ordained for you. Wherever he is, under any condition, in any location, let divine alignment begin now. You will not miss each other. You will not be wrongly connected. You will not settle for less. I write your story from delay to divine connection, from waiting to settlement, from confusion to clarity. Every power manipulating your timing, every force speaking not yet over your life, I silence you now. I release divine speed into your marital destiny. What should have taken years will not take long again. I command favor over your life. The right person will see you. The right person will recognize you. The right person will value you. You will not be hidden. You will not be overlooked. You will not be rejected. I declare, your season has come. Your time is now. Your testimony is manifesting. Sing this with me now.
This love is mine. No more delay. You've made a way. You've made a way. This love is mine. I receive now. My time has come. I take it now.
I'm not done. Hear this. Every last-minute disappointment, every almost married but never married pattern, I destroy it now. You will not cry another year over this. You will not pray endlessly without results. Before long, you will testify. Before long, you will celebrate. Before long, you will be settled. This is your season. This is your turn. This is your moment. If you receive this, type amen right now. Don't stay silent. Agree with this word. If you need more prophetic prayers, if you are ready for your testimony, reach out to me. My name is Dr. Andy Quaz. Subscribe now. Your testimony is next. Type amen in the comment section now.